It is awesome with DS diving. I'm here at Lighthouse Marina. Just so you can see, I am here. Got out of the water. Feel like I got stung by some kind of marine life or something. So it wasn't any kind of marine life. It was actually a needle that is sticking in my back. Before I pulled it out, I wanted to get a video of it and documented everything like that. But here we go. How it stayed in, I'm not quite sure. But I mean, as far as a diver goes, I'm not wanting to get back in your marina, and until the situation with the needle problem gets taken care of, I really don't want to be here. But until you get that taken care of, I don't think divers want to be here. And if divers don't want to be here, in all reality, people don't want to be in your slips because they can't get their boats cleaned. So we'll go ahead and pull that out. So obviously it's pretty fresh. Man, you gotta get control of your marina, dude. So I'm gonna destroy this. I'm gonna dispose of this safely and send this video to my boss. I'm sure he'll send you the video. And I gotta go get tested for any kind of diseases or whatever because of this right here. So you guys get this taken care of. I'm sure divers will be back. Sorry if I seem a little agitated. DS diving out.